part 2 of Avalanche. First little section. Okay, so you're going to start on C sharp in the left hand, and then you're walking up. B flat. And while you do that, you're going to play a C sharp diminished chord, so C sharp, E, G. So B flat, C diminished. Left hand walks down to A, and right hand top note walks up to A. Otherwise it's still C sharp and E. And then left hand walks down to G. Right hand top note goes up to B flat. So that sequence of chords in the right hand is just C sharp diminished, so C sharp, E, G. Move the top note up to A. Move the top note up to B flat. And then we're going to move the bottom 2 notes up a half step. B flat stays, C sharp goes to D, E goes to F. So now we have D, F, B flat. So again, right hand sequence of chords, C sharp diminished, move up to A, move up to B flat, and now move the bottom 2 notes up. And then while you hold the bottom 2 notes, B flat goes down to an A, so you have a D minor chord. So if we go into that, and then here's our chords. Now while we're doing that, left hand is just walking down, so here's the B flat we landed on. And then we just walk down A, G, F. So hold while you play the first right hand chord. When your right hand moves up to A, left hand moves down to A. Right hand moves up to B flat, left hand down to G. Right hand bottom 2 notes move up, left hand goes down to an F. Let's do that again. B flat. So that's the first one. Next one is basically the same pattern, it's just transposed. So we're going to start on, instead of C sharp, we're starting up on G sharp and walking up. Play G sharp diminished, and then again top note moves up, top moves up again, bottom notes move up. So it's the exact same pattern, but now we've got, so it's the exact same pattern, just up a few notes. So G sharp diminished chord, top note moves up to E, top note moves up to F, bottom 2 notes move up to A and C, and then step the top note down. While that's happening, again, left hand is just going to walk straight down. So we land on F, right hand plays its first chord. With the next chord, left hand steps down to E, next chord, left hand steps down to D, and then with the final chord, left hand steps down to C. Okay, so that's second section again. All right, so let's put the first and second section together. Here's the first one starting on C sharp. Starting on G sharp. Next part is a repeated pattern, just down 3 octaves. So you're going to start with the right hand, A, F, E, and then left hand just continues walking down for 3 notes. A, F, E, D, C, B, and that's your repeating pattern. And then you go down an octave, do the same thing again. Down 1 more octave, and on an A. So it's just... Left hand is going to go to C, then D for 2 beats, E for 2 beats, and A for 2 beats. And all of those were octaves. So after the last C octave, right hand is doing an open fifth, A, E, A, with the first C octave. Your next right hand chord, top note stays the same, thumb moves up to B, and your middle note is F, so B, F, A. So we have A, E, A, B, F, A. Then bottom note stays, top two are going to move down one. So we have B, E, G sharp, and then a full A minor chord. So we're going to go back to that top A, E, C, A. So the three notes again, open, A, E, A. Top note stays the same, B, F, A. Bottom note stays the same, B, E, G sharp. Full A minor chord, A, C, E, A. Okay? So while that's happening, here's the first right hand chord with left hand on C. Top note stays the same, left hand moves up to D, and the bottom two notes in the right hand move up. Right hand top two notes move down, left hand on E, and then full A minor chord with an octave A in the bass. So if we put that last section together with the walk down, here's your first chord with the C on the bottom. Okay, after that it repeats the first section again. And the second section also repeats. And then it's very similar to the next section, but instead of starting on A like we did before, we're going to just start up on C. It's the exact same intervals, it's just, so C, E, A, G, keep walking down, F, E, D, crossover, do it in the lower octave, crossover, do it in the lower octave, and on C. And that's where we're going to stop that section. So, recap of the whole thing, starting on C sharp, A, two, first section again. On C. And that's where we're going to stop. All right, hope that helped. We will see you next time.